Hello and welcome to the weather update. I just want to show you some pictures of the sky yesterday, which was pretty. We did have a lot of clouds around, but it's a nice blue sky in between. And today we made it to the Pine Barrens. So we did make it to the Pine Barrens in Deer Park, even though there were a good amount of clouds in the morning. Turned out to be a pretty nice day by the afternoon. So let's take a look at what the skies look like today across our area. This is an image, I believe, from the morning, or no, probably from the afternoon, actually. This is the one from the morning, I believe. You could see that we did start off with a deck of clouds trying to pop up over our area. It looked like maybe not quite as much out east, but New Jersey, Jersey Shore, New York City, Western Long Island. We had these clouds pop up, but then as the afternoon went on, they kind of dissipated, and you can see here they definitely dissipated. And this, I believe, that this over here that you're seeing in New Jersey are actually controlled burns that are taking place in the Pine Barrens. So you're actually putting off quite a smoke if they are controlled burns. I believe they are. If they are not, I'll put it on the screen. But I believe these are controlled burns, so they're doing some big controlled burns. I didn't hear about any big ones today, but you could sort of see them on the conditions have to be right for the to do these controlled burns. Looks like one is somewhere around west of Toms River, over Whiting, and then there's another one toward the dwarf pines there. And dwarf pines need frequent fires. They need fires every couple of years. So again, New Jersey's doing their controlled burns, but we need to be doing that right here on Long Island, but it just doesn't seem like there's the political will to do it. But that's what needs to be done. So we'll take a look at some observations across the area today, show you what things look like. We'll take a look at islip. Starting off at islip, we'll start off here. Right now, 40. You can see we got a northwest wind to 12, gusting to 20. And let's see. High was it was partly cloudy most of the day, so it wasn't really mostly sunny over a good part of Long Island. But by the afternoon, it did become actually after like 12:30, 1 o'clock, it was mostly sunny. And I did go to the Pine Barrens today. Another video that's uploading. That will be uploading a little later. But anyway, you could see we had partly cloudy skies at islip, and the high temperature reached 42, 43 degrees, a little below normal. Now let's go and look at West Hampton. A lot colder there, 33. No surprise. They had mostly sunny skies, so that's what I mean. Further out east toward the Hamptons, they didn't have as many clouds, so could have had a clear day out there, I guess. And then we'll go look at Jersey, show you what their conditions they're experiencing. So 35 already. So let's see, we got a few clouds, but it was mostly cloudy for a period in the late morning hours. But then it was clear afterwards. So, and they got, of course, warmer, 46 over there. Always warmer in Toms River, even when it's cool. So, let's take a look at the general pattern we have setting up for the next week or two. And it's a good one. So, we have this weak system that's going to be passing to our south tomorrow. We may very well have clear skies over Long Island tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday, fair weather with that high pressure. Then we have another system move through on Thursday with a little light rain, and then another big high pressure moves in, gives us a sunny weekend. Then looks like another rainstorm possibly for March 26th. And then, yeah, we start to see that ridge set up in the Atlantic, and it could get junky toward the end of the month. Again, that's kind of a ways off. We'll have to see what happens. Anyway, it's a ways off. So let's go back to the 17th. That's today, right? So actually, it doesn't go back to the 17th. But you know, let's go into our regions here and take a look at what the sky is going to be doing. Alright, so I'll show you that system that's moving to the south. So you could see some of the clouds that popped up over our area today. Now tomorrow, here's that system. GFS, see what it does? It suppresses it away from Long Island, and it's clear skies over Long Island. New Jersey would have clouds and chance of precipitation. We'll go over that. And then Tuesday looks like a not very nice clear day for our area. And then the same for Wednesday. So and then we get the clouds for Thursday, and then maybe some clouds on Friday, and then the weekend I think will be nice too. Saturday and Sunday should be both clear, especially Saturday. So we have at least 3 clear days coming up, and then maybe another clear day for March 27th. So, and then after that it could get junky. But we have at least 3 or 4 clear days. Got to get into the Pine Barrens to enjoy them. For sure, because we've hardly had any clear days, and actually today was pretty nice too. And yesterday really wasn't that bad either. So we'll look at the temperatures, see what the temperatures are going to be doing the next couple of days. It's going to be a little below normal. So tomorrow highs are in the mid-40s. It's slightly below normal. For Tuesday, mid-40s. Wednesday maybe goes to upper 40s. Probably warms up a little more on Thursday, maybe upper 40s to around 50. That warm air trying to get here, and then it cools down again for Friday, mid-40s, and then for next weekend could be chilly Saturday, low 40s Sunday, and then the following day, look at that, it warms up mid-50s to get that return flow. It's going to start getting warmer as the month goes on. We have some warm days coming toward the end of the month, you can see. Of course, with that warm air comes plenty of clouds and precipitation. Look at some of these days. Some of these days we may have another repeat of, look at this one here for the 29th of March. Could hit 70 in Nassau County. Oof. Definitely going to be on the South Shore a lot once things warm up. So we're going to have to be. So it looks like it's going to get off to a hot start in April. Typical. I'm not looking forward to it. I don't like the heat. Alright, let's go look at the precipitation. I'm not looking forward to it. And summers get started earlier and earlier and earlier. So let's take a look at the precipitation. You can see that light system, barely anything, just maybe some very light snow over southern New Jersey. It's not going to amount to much. And then after that, the next chance of precipitation will be Thursday. Let's take a look at the NAM model and see what that looks like. So we'll look at the NAM, and again, it's really light. It's really light. It's barely anything. The system is so weak. It's going weaker and weaker and weaker on every model run. So we will look at the clouds for the NAM as well. I think that'll do it for this weather update. Well, there'll be one more thing I want to look at. So, alright, so we'll look at the clouds. Just going tomorrow. You see the clouds kind of just stay away from Long Island. Long Island has a clear day. The clouds are over Jersey, but Long Island has a clear day. And then for Tuesday, it looks clear everywhere, more or less. Maybe some clouds over Long Island to start. Clear over Jersey. So, alright, one more thing I want to look at. And that is the ice. This is important because as things warm and the ice disappears, it's like I said, we're in a climate emergency, and I'm glad that the people were protesting about it because it really is serious. Let's see what we got here. Waiting for the image. Here we go. So here we go. You still have all that missing ice over here in the Bering Strait, and all this thinner than normal ice over here, over eastern Russia, and then also in the Newfoundland area, very thin ice. So, like I said, the ice is going to disappear real fast once spring starts coming. I'm telling you, this is a serious problem that I'm going to keep my eye on for sure. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this weather update. Hope you got out there and enjoyed some of the nice weather, and we got more to come, so enjoy it while it lasts, and take care.